Hello and welcome to this lesson on Introduction to Customer Analytics. Customers are the primary source of income for any business. Almost all avenues for maximizing revenue and minimizing costs in a business is directly related to its customers. In such case, elevating customer experience and satisfaction should be a prime concern for any kind of business. A business should learn how to meet as well as exceed the primary needs of its customers. Customer analytics is a means for understanding the customer in order to do so. In customer analytics, customer data is analyzed in order to gain insights about the customer as well as their needs. It helps businesses measure and improve their products or services consistently so as to cater the changing needs of their customers. Customer analytics also provides a means to analyze what methods or channels of customer acquisition and retention are working and what is not. Having a track of such metrics as a whole gives the business a much needed edge over competing businesses in order to maximize their profit. Some of the advantages of using customer analytics for businesses are such as driving customer acquisition, which helps focus on channels that drive the most new customers. It also helps to understand the most common customer journey from awareness to advocacy. Improving engagement. Customer analytics helps to identify what type of feature resonates with which type of customer. It also helps to identify the most loved feature in order to cater an elevated experience for the customer. Increase revenue. Customer analytics helps to gain an insight about the most popular revenue channels. It helps to predict the most profitable customers for a business. Improve retention. Customer analytics also helps to understand the reasons behind the loss of new or regular customers. It also helps to identify the behaviors needed to improve the retention of its customers. Now, in our upcoming lessons, you will discover some valuable ways of identifying the needs of the customer within your own business. The learnings from this course will certainly help you in gaining all the advantages that we've talked about. So I'll see you in the next lesson.